Here we have the City of Temples. I've already selected bags 1 and 2 over here, start building with, and I saw a really interesting piece in one of these bags. I kind of lost it as I was stacking them up. It was like one of the climber outfits, lower part of the mask. I have no idea who that's for, so I'll keep an eye out for that piece. I'm very excited. It looks a lot different than it does in the show, that's for sure. Bag 1, featuring Wildfire and Mr. Pale, 2 characters I was really looking forward whenever I originally got this set. It's really cool that Mr. Pale came with glasses, although I don't get the gun, and Wildfire, this being my first Wildfire, obviously I thought it was cool. Bag 2, which is used to finish off this okay dragon. It wasn't really in the show, so I ended up taking a small portion of it apart for another build, actually quite recently. Kept it around that long. This also goes down as the first LEGO Ninjago dragon I have literally ever gotten, with the exception of a dragon statue. Bag 3, which we used to start building one of the hidden caves, which also acts as a base for this magnificent city, also featuring Aaron, second figure of Aaron ever, and I didn't really like his outfit for the specific scene in the show where he ends up following Lord Roz, because it was the start of a darker path of his ninja career. Bag 5, literally nothing exciting to say about this one, I don't think. Bag 6, featuring the worst of the worst, Lord Roz, and one of the best. As this golden base plate is one of a kind, or so I thought at the time, turns out there was 2 of them in the set, I decided I would save this one for my own personal use up on the minifigure board to put the most worthy minifigures, and use a standard black one instead. Because how often do you find a golden one of those minifigure base plates in a set? Bag 7, featuring another really good aspect of the set, the Cole minifigure. It actually came with a hammer. I went on to make some modifications to make it more show accurate, and that will probably be coming out in a short where I fixed Ninjago weapons. Coming soon to my YouTube channel, subscribe so you don't miss it. Bag 8. Nothing going for it, really. Bag 9. I don't think this one has anything going for it either. Yeah, nothing. Because this thing was getting so big, I had to open bag 10 off of my 48x48 set. Stay tuned, because it only gets bigger. Bag 11. What really makes sets like these really large ones bad is the fact that you go several bags without getting a character, but what usually makes up for it is cool pieces, like that red corner plate in, well, the corner. Bag 12, and still nothing. You would think this bag would be unlucky, but actually, this contained that special mask piece that I mentioned at the beginning of the video, and the blacksmith. Turns out that mask piece is actually used to go on display in this blacksmith shop. But would I stand for that? No. That meant more ninja customization options. Naturally, I took it and selected it for Kai because he actually didn't get an outfit in this set. Bag 14. This set actually includes some tributes to Ninja. This little bunk thing here includes this Kai micro figure and a stickered trading card of Jay in memory of his lost memory for this season. That is one of the worst parts of Season 2 by far. But that's a debate for another time. Comment arguments so I can actually get a video going about this. Bag 15. New book, new bag, new parts. Bag 16. Bag 17. Bag 18, featuring my third ever Ninjago Dragon's Rising Lloyd. I love this figure. Bag 19, featuring Nia, and a rendition of her weapon from the show that honestly doesn't work. Bag 20, where we build the bridge. Bag 21, featuring Sora's sworn nemesis. What was her name again? Bag 22. Bag 23, featuring the traitor, Blex, and also one of Thunderfang's biggest haters. Actually, I think everyone was a big hater of Thunderfang. Bag 24, featuring the Tournament Temple City security bots. I felt the legs and the hat were a huge disappointment on this thing, but good news for me, this set actually included the correct hat on the little blimp we made in the beginning. Bag 25. Bag 26, featuring Zane. Another reason I got this set. It's kind of nice to get an updated ninja outfit every now and then. Increases customization options. Bag 29, featuring the Games Master, the guy who sounds like an air horn that became a person. Bruh.
Bag 30, which actually features the questionable decoration. I kind of still thought that was cool, because I have never actually picked up the Rising Dragon Strike sets. Can we agree that the show was a disappointment as far as Aaron's Rising Dragon Strike set went, because he never actually did that? Like, I was really hoping for that. You know what time it is? It's time for Bag 31, so we can finish all of Roby's shingling work and give the security bots a vacation. Did someone call Xantans? Because here comes Bag 32, which is entirely plant-focused. There's actually this very interesting thing in the back of the manual saying that if you bought this other Lego set, you could actually combine it with the Tournament Temple City. And with that, we've finished Tournament Temple City. This is what I believe to be Lily's tomb, R.I.P. And then we have the blacksmith shop with the working water wheel, where you can actually send your contestants to fight each other. I'm going to start with Nia, using this custom, realistic, good-looking weapon, and Lord Roz, using the wrong mallet. Well, I really missed on weapons, showing the interior of the blacksmith shop, and showing the fight in a moment, I think. Like I said, I took the mask that was on display. Oh, the fight's starting. Cool. As you can see, this is the back of this massive, stunning, tall structure. And we got the room where the ninja train, Blex and Roby's office, this weird fire, and the questionable decoration. We have this crane with the crate that actually has a sticker on the side that reads, in jargon, "Do not eat." This crate contains a waffle, and I'm thinking this is a poisoned waffle. One of Blex's assassination attempts on Roby. In here we have, well, it's a room. Small room. We have a secret compartment down here hiding a golden version of your sort of like jungle adventure sword. I actually think that was like Lloyd or Kai's weapon in Shintaro. Now we need to get some payback on Lord Ross for winning. Cole, you can do the honors. Revenge! Winner! It's one of my favorite functions. Mr. Pale, the guard, and this is the front of it. In the back of the first floor, there's actually this cool heat-looking thing that protects the element cup, which also reminds me of Roby and Wildfire's relationship.